Okay, so if you go back to Walmart and the lights, you'll see these things. $3.84. So we're in the flashlight department. Hi all. I picked up this light. It's 200 lumens. And what it does, it runs off 4 AAA batteries. The batteries are included. So it's just a light. You're not supposed to look at the LEDs. So you can see it's really bright. So it's something that you can like stick in a closet or a shed or something like that. That's what I plan on doing with them. So here, let's read through the package here. It's called Litezall. L-I-T-E-Z-A-L. Wireless light switch. 200 lumens. That's pretty bright. Batteries included. You can use it cabinets, automotive, closets, anywhere. It looks like a normal light. Here's the big LEDs. Includes double-sided hook and loop tabs. So I guess that means Velcro, huh? And a powerful magnet mounts on back. Litezall, the evolution of light, wireless light switch. To replace batteries, move battery cover. Okay, let's open it first and then we'll read that. So there's no place to really open it, so I'm gonna just see if I can get it cut open here without jabbing myself here. I found this one at Walmart. I seen them at Lowe's too, but I think they cost a lot more at Lowe's. I think this one was like I think it was $2.98 or $3.98. I'm gonna put one in the pickup truck, because the pickup truck is kind of dark. Probably put one in the shed. A couple for emergencies when the power goes out. So this Velcro that they included is kind of small. I don't know if that would really hold it up. That's like bare minimum. That's probably the magnets there. So to replace the batteries, there's the batteries. There's 2 of them, and then here's the other 2. Okay. Watch your eyes. So that's really bright, and we're in the daytime. So it says here, to replace batteries, remove battery covers, remove old batteries, and replace with 4 new AAA batteries. Replace covers. Caution, batteries must be recycled or disposed of properly. Do not install backwards. Charge, put in fire, or mix with other battery types. This may cause batteries to explode or leak. Replace all batteries at the same time. Replace all batteries at the same time. So that must have something to do with LEDs. Warning, LED lights are extremely bright. To avoid injury, do not Shine LED lights into eyes. Install virtually anywhere with included double-sided hook and loop tabs and powerful magnet mounts on back. No electrician needed. It just costs a fortune in batteries, you know, if you got a bunch of them. Made in China. Website is PROMITER products.com. 844-475-7344. Okay, see ya. Bye. Okay, I'm gonna mount this on my truck visor. So what I did was I put it back in the package and then I taped it up. So I still got the cardboard on the back. Put some Duracells in it before I taped it all up because I'm hoping it lasts a while. Then I have this elastic and I got a big stapler. So I stapled it right onto the cardboard. And then this should wrap around the visor. The plastic, I cut the plastic out here. You don't really need to cut the plastic out, but I thought it might block a little light, so I cut it out, taped it all up to make it stronger. So that should work good on the visor. Okay. I think if I put any more staples in it, it'll just start tearing up the cardboard. So, okay, we'll go out and try it now. Okay, so we're in the truck now. I'm gonna slide this on the visor. We'll see how it goes. I just kind of guessed at the length. I matched it up a little bit, but I'm kind of guessing here. Okay, so that worked good. Got it slid up there. See? Then when I hop in, all I have to do is come over here and flip the switch. See? And it should work good even with big gloves on. See, and it should even work good even with big gloves on, see? Okay, pretty cool. Last year I had put this one up here and it worked, but it, you know, I didn't tighten it up, you know, in case I ever have to put it on my head. And it worked, but you know, the button's too small. You know, you always have to fill around with it, you know, and it's really not that bright. That's why when I saw these, I said, boy, that looks like it would work for the truck. You know, I've been looking for something for quite a while, but they're really expensive. They have those, I think they were made by GE, where they're wireless. You know, like one would be over here, one would be over here, and then like big button down here. There's a big button you could like tap down there. And but they were like 25 bucks. And a fortune in batteries. You know, each unit took 3-4 batteries. So I think this will work good. You know, the truck has lights, but they're way back here, you know. And you know, the truck has lights, but they're way back here. And when it's dark and cold and you're, you know, plowing late, you know, it's kind of hard to reach that. You got to fill around trying to find it. So they should have put it up here. Then it wouldn't have been so bad. So this is like perfect here. It's out of the way. You know, I think I might get one for this side too. I don't really see anywhere I could mount it on the dash. There's no empty space. Maybe way over there, but you know, you armor all your dash, how would you stick it on there, you know? Okay, see ya. Bye. Okay, so there's the light with just the regular Ford dome lights. Now I'll turn this guy on here. Oh boy, that really lights it up nice. Okay, we'll get the dome lights to go off here. So there's just the dome lights. Okay, there's nothing. Now we'll just turn on this light here. So that's really nice. I can see everything just like it's daylight. So that's really nice. I can see everything just like it's daylight in here. Probably better than daylight. Works real nice. Beautiful. Here's the steering wheel. Okay, there's one dome light. There's two dome lights. They're old bulbs too, you know. They're probably the original bulbs, 2004. And there's that light. Okay, so great deal for $384. I saw them at Walmart tonight. So $384. See ya. Bye. Okay, so if you go back to Walmart and the lights, you'll see these things. $384. So we're in the flashlight department.